What's going on, guys? I just made $9,636, and as you guys can see from the title of this video, I'm about to break down my two-step strategy, the easiest way, most simple way really, to catch these trades every single day. Is the way that I've been doing this for the last 5 years, and it's how I caught this 1 to 4 today on gold. Even though, as you guys know, gold is literally like it has not stopped going up, and I still can catch that at all-time highs. Guys, this is very simple, and the way I'm going to show you guys is the way that everybody else on social media or in real life that's teaching you how to trade should be doing it, is with a two-step process. If you cannot show somebody else or explain your strategy in 2 simple steps, then why are you even trading that strategy? Because there's thousands of strategies that are super simple, that are proven, just like this one, that you could be copying every single day. Now, step number 1 is going to be establishing my daily bias. What does that mean? It's just establishing if I'm going to be looking for buys or sells in the pairs that I look at every single day. And step number 2, entering the 1 minute. So basically showing you guys my entry model or my execution in the lower time frames, which at the end of the day, if I'm being simple, and the craziest part, guys, is the exact same thing as this, but I'll show you guys at the end of the video. The only thing that I want you to copy mainly, if you're gonna copy anything or learn anything from this video, is using the exact same time frames every single day. Do not go ahead and change them. If you backtest them, then go ahead and use the exact same ones. For an example, if you're using the daily and the 4 hour to come up with bias, then use that every single day. And if you're going and entering in the 5 minute, then enter in the 5 minute every single day. Don't go and enter in the 5 minute on Tuesday and then on fucking Wednesday you go and enter in the 10 minute. No, repetition wins the game. In a nutshell, this is what we're gonna be doing, using the daily time frame to come up with our daily bias. We need breaks to the upside, higher highs and higher lows being created, highs getting broken up, creating higher lows and higher highs. These highs being broken up, creating new higher highs and higher lows. And then we're gonna be in the exact same thing in the 4 hour. Higher highs being created and broken, higher highs being created and broken, higher highs being created and broken. As long as that is happening in both of them, we're going to be bullish. In the exact same thing for the opposite. If there's lower lows and lower highs being created, then we're bearish, as long as it's happening both in the daily time frame and in the 4 hour. So in this case scenario, our daily bias would be bullish for price to keep on going higher. Now for our step number 2, guys, really simple. After creating our bias, we're going to be doing the exact same thing in the 1 minute. That's when I enter. So basically, I'm going to be looking for there to be a bullish market, so higher highs getting broken up and new higher highs being created alongside with the higher lows being created. But we're going to need a retest of the area of the break zone area, which I'm going to show you when I go and I break down the trade that I took today. And when we get these retests of the full area, we're going to be placing our buy stop orders at the high, at the previous protected high, assuming that price wants to keep on going higher and showing us momentum. If there is no momentum, then we're not going to be entered. Exactly why we are going to use a buy stop order and not a market order or a limit order. Without further ado though, let's get right into the chart so I can show you what I did today. And if you're enjoying this video, please make sure to hit the like, subscribe if you want to see more trade breakdowns or full on just strategy videos. And if you're liking, my teaching and my strategy, you can always just join my free course. It's the first link in the description. But let's get right into the charts. So here we are in gold. I took this trade at around 7:30 in the morning. I'm still in a second trade right here, as you guys can see, but I'm not even break even on this. Hopefully we end up winning on this one or whatever it is, and I can make another video for you guys, even if it's a break even or whatever. Exact same rules, or if it's a loss, I will still make the video. But because we took this trade right here, let us go back in with the replay and let's start off from the top. But before we create our bias and I show you how I executed this morning, I want you guys to have the exact same indicators that I do, which is the 3M structure indicator. As you guys can see here on TradingView, it's completely free. The only way to get it is through my free course. So on WAP, after you sign up, you'll be able to claim access to it. So if you want access to the indicator, please make sure to gain access to the free course, which is the first link in the description, like I said before. But now that you have it, go ahead and add it. It's going to look exactly like this. It's going to show you the breaks. These breaks, what they are is just the actual protected highs and protected lows. So break, new protected high, new protected low, another break, and it creates a new protected high, a new higher protected low, like I was saying earlier. But as you guys can see, the daily is doing that, is creating higher highs and higher lows, new breaks to the upside. So because of that, we can step down to the 4 hour and make sure that it's doing the exact same thing, making the whole chart or the bias bullish. And we can see it's doing the exact same thing. We have over 10 breaks. Well, we have over 9 breaks to the upside, making the 4-hour bullish. So we can step down to the 1 minute and make sure that we can look for our entry. So when I came into the charts, gold was breaking down this morning. You can see it right here. We not only had 1 break to the downside, but 2 breaks to the downside. So at this point, what do? I just wait. I wait for there to be a break to the upside, which would have been right here, a retest off the area, and then we put our buy stop right over there. And lo and behold, we get tapped in and price moves up, hitting our TP. And this is exactly how I made over $9,000 in less than an hour today. As always, thank you for watching. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and comment down below if you want me to make any other sort of videos or for any trading questions. And as always, you can check the description for the free course and follow me on Instagram if you want to. Peace out.